In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Loungefly promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up Loungefly promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna be redirected to a page like this. So once you're on this page, you're gonna click on this first website, rethrift.com. So you're gonna click on this website. Okay, so once you're on this website, as you guys can see that these are the codes for September 2023. And the first one is a 56% off. So let's say you want a 56% off, you can just click copy code and it's automatically gonna copy the code, and you can go to their website, select your products and use this code at checkout. Well, as you guys can see, the success rate is 66%, so it might or might not work for you. So it's depending on your luck. Well, next one, it's a 20% off on all our styles. So you can click the same thing, copy code and follow the same steps. Well, as you can see, this is a working coupon as it is verified. So you can copy the code and use it at checkout. Now I'm gonna head over to some other website and show you a few more codes. Okay, then you can head over to Retail Me Not and you're gonna go on this website. So once you're on this website, as you can see, there are many sales. So let's say you're looking for up to 30% off, you can just click on it and it's going to take you to the website. That is because this is an ongoing sale on the website, so you can directly go to the website and claim this offer. So there is no code needed. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time.